morning, everyone. Almost 9 o'clock. Sun just came out. Looks like it's gonna be a beautiful day. Heading to the shop. I got a beast of an order. 7 colors using a 4-color press. I explained to you how once we get there how that I'll be able to get that done, but it's doable. And if you guys stick around to later, I want to talk about how to make money with screen printing, because I think it's a question I get asked a lot, and let's talk about it. Why not? So yeah, there it is. That's the plan. All right, let me show you something. I just got the Pellin and the Clear Choice tape. The Pellin is what you do samples on it, and the Clear Choice, you put it on top, and then you'll be able to put the other colors and to register, and then you wipe it off. Much easier. Out of all these years I've been doing this, is the first time I got this, because before I had shirts. I always, have sample shirts mess up and I put them away so I could do a test run. But lately, I haven't messed up a lot of shirts. So every time I'm doing a job, I couldn't find a shirt to do a test run. And I started using some regular shirts. And I said, no, let me get into this. And I got 100 of these, 100 whites. And the Clear Choice makes my job much easier. I don't know why I didn't even get this before, because it speeds up the process. Not like when I used to put a shirt on, here comes I messed up, I have to take that shirt out. Now I just wipe off the other color and register and wipe off, and it just stays with one, and awesome thing. So this is a true test of interest. So when you find something that you love and you're good at, and you put everything you have into it, it's not going to fail. When I started this business, at a home just so I could print some shirts and sell them in the street just for an extra income. And it turned into an actual shop, and I'm making a living on it. All of that to say, you can start super small, and just because it's a hobby or something that you do does not mean that you cannot turn it into a business. So before I show you the setup for the 7 colors on a 4-color press, let me show you the design. Check it out. Bronx Bound Books is based on the subway map. If you notice, look at the subway, the B, the D, the 4, and the colors are white, beige, light green, dark green, red, orange, and blue. Nice, look at the details. Came out, you can even see the Hudson River. Came out real nice. All that job using a 4-color press. Let me show you a little montage of the process, and then we'll go and explain to you how I was able to get it done. So let's do this. Before I start explaining to you about the 7 colors on the 4 press, let me just show you how the Pellin works. First, you've got the Pellin on the pallet already. You do your print, and once you check, that's the Pellin. That's your first print. Then you come and bring the clear image registration tape. Get a little cut. Put it over. You don't have to flash it or nothing. Just put the tape over the white, then you come and check it out. I already have registered earlier, but just so you can see how it works. And there it is. Now, if you want to do any adjustments, it didn't fill in its place, just take some ink remover, paper towel, and clear it up. Once you clear it up, that's it. Now, let me explain the 7 colors on a full press. Let's do this. So once the first color is done, here comes the second. There goes one color. Now here, there's 2 colors, orange and red. So I'm gonna take the orange, come here. I put little tapes just to make sure I don't touch the other colors. There goes the orange. Here, it's an orange. And then the red, which you're gonna see red there, red in the middle, and red right here. And then voila. Then come with now we already put 3 colors. Here's the 4th color. Nice. Here comes the 5th color. There it is. Now, here where the work comes in. Now you bring that 4th screen, take the squeegee out, remove it, and that's why I left the registration here, the film, to keep registering all of them. And if you notice, on top here, I did not covered it, just so I could really look at when I'm registering. Bring the other one, bring it in, register, real quick. You're gonna see the top, it's gonna fall in right there. And then this is the 6th color going in, and check it out. Come back, do the same thing. Move it out. Let's move this one out and bring back now the green and do the same thing. It's gonna come and register. Make sure it's right on it, right there. By the way, I'm right now doing just to show you, but usually once I start printing, I'll be using 3 palettes. I'll be doing this every 3 shirts. So it speeds up the process instead of just one, take a little longer. But since I'm using the other 3 palettes, this one is to register, it goes pretty fast. Now we're gonna print the 7th color. And there it is. Here it is. Check it out. 7 colors on a 4-color press. Not bad at all. Okay, I want to talk a little bit about making money in screen printing. If you never charged before for the work that you do, let's say you already have print for your friends and family and you ready to start printing for clients, my thoughts on this is work for free. Before you start, to get yourself out there, like to test the waters, work for free. I don't mean go bust your ass and give money away, no. Go to, let's say, a restaurant, a hardware store, you know, a small mom and pop shop, and go offer your services. Go and tell them, I want to print 6 shirts for you for free. Could I get the logo? And they're gonna accept that. I said, really? Yeah. And once you get it, you take pictures, You post it on your social media, you let them know, you give them your business cards, and most likely they'll call you again when they need them. And if you did a real good job, they're gonna refer. There goes one. That's how you start growing. You go to hardware stores, you do the same thing. The other thing is that there's no pressure. There's no pressure. You printing a one color print on a shirt. They're not gonna be like, I need this, or it should be like that. Nah, this is all nice and calm, and you're gonna do a real good job once you give them the shirts. The other thing is, once you start charging, that it's time now gonna start charging now. You already have an idea of how much to charge, because let's say you did this job for someone that you were willing to do for free, and you did 12 shirts for them, and you got to see how long it took you to do those 12 shirts. So let's say those shirts, by doing the design, coating the screens, exposing the screen, how much material I used, you know you're not gonna charge this amount of X, because you're gonna say, nah, that took me 3-4 hours, so I'm gonna have to charge a little more. You're gonna have an understanding of what are you gonna start charging. That's the other good thing. And the best thing is that you are out there grinding. You are learning how to go into a business and ask for, let's say, the manager, the owner, and speak. You know, get that practice going, and you'll start feeling more comfortable. You start speaking to them better, getting the information. Now you have their email. Even though I gave it to you for free, I would like an email, and 6 months later you come and email them again, you know, and that's how you start growing clienteles, and that's how it works. So there are people that will just say, don't do it for free, don't start. But for you to start getting yourself out there and start putting your pictures on social media, once you go to a certain client that you're gonna charge, they're gonna ask you, have you done this work before? And you refer, yes, I have done work for this hardware store, this restaurant, you know, an event. Like, go to social media, find people that doing events. People that doing events, reach out to them and tell them, I would like to print some shirts for you for free. And once they're in that event, there's a lot of people there, you understand? People are gonna ask, oh, nice shirt, who did that shirt? They're gonna refer you, oh, this guy, he came, and nobody has to know that you did it for free. So it works in every way, and you will start getting out there, and you'll see how it's gonna start working. So the other way of making money is, well, you're doing this, if you want, you could just start doing your own design. You could do your own design and sell them online, sell them on the streets, just so you could get more practice. Because sometimes a lot of people start screen printing, they want to do custom, and before you know it, they start doing their own brand, and they forget about custom. They're making more money doing their own brand, which that's amazing. That's very, very hard to do, but it's doable. But that's another way to be making money in screen printing. So thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, press that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. May God bless you all. Be grateful, and peace out.